What's up, guys? Mike here at the farm. So it's been snowy here and cold, and we had probably a couple inches of snow. It's been down in the 20s and the teens and pretty darn cold. So wintertime is starting to break, and maybe we're going to have a little bit of springtime. So I figured I'd fire up the drone and we'll go take a look at the 1 meter garden. I know it's kind of overkill, but you know, it'll be fun. So let's go do it. Starving? I don't have a drone. I don't have a drone. I'm not that kind of rich. But anyway, so 1 meter garden is growing pretty well. It's looking nice. It's actually starts way over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a few fence posts out, and my wife's got all of this underneath. This lump of grass is all compost, all of our kitchen scraps. And look at these guys. These are the onions and the garlic. They've been surviving through the whole winter. They were covered with snow and been freezing, and these are all onions here, all green onions, and they're thriving. And then the garlic's been pushing up the whole time. Ain't no snow gonna stop it, and I can't wait. And if you can see, the compost heap goes all the way down. She's got probably 20 meters of garden now, and it's all along the fence. We ordered, watermelon and squash and cilantro and you name it, climbing beans, everything. She ordered all kinds of stuff, and she's gonna plant it all. We've got a big bag of soil. She's gonna just go nuts, and it's gonna be a beautiful garden. So this is just a quick update, and we'll keep you informed on what's going on, and as we progress, we'll take more videos now that the sun is shining again. Yeah. All right, guys. Later. 2 Alpha.